The wind just knocked the umbrella off. Oh. I like how I whip out my camera in the sketchy part.
I know. It's common trend for you.
Oh.
I like how this is the trail. Look how.
Yeah, this is
Fuck off.
this is worse, but kind of like the scramble of reminds me of like a 14er scramble.
Dude, I prefer this like 10 times more. I don't know. I like.
Then stairs.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
We got them grippy rocks.
Yeah.
Hi vlog. We're yeah. How you feeling? This little like crater thing that's kind of blocking the wind. If you couldn't tell, we made it up to Mueller. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I literally had no idea what the views were gonna be. Y'all, that's a huge glacier. That's so cool. Where's Beth? Beth is right there. She is risen. God damn. What?
I have some bad.
Whoa, she's like fast.
Where am I supposed to look though?
Like, out.
Oh, you're right.
I'm like looking at it straight and then taking a breath.
Squinting my eyes.
Brown eyes that had hurt you before. Don't turn back now, you'll make it far. Don't turn back
squad. It's the Monday morning after our Mueller hut trip. And literally like every other camping trip, I couldn't fall asleep and I woke up super early. I just have bad sleep after big trips, but decided to try to make it for sunrise at Long Dog Cafe. Morning everybody. Today we're gonna go to Milford Sound on a cruise. So hyped, first time. Oh yeah, chefing up.
I know, I feel like I haven't ever